The morning sun shines on the quiet town center. The cat stretches and blinks in the gentle light. A tall building stands with a bright red cross. Oh look, the doctor's office is right here. The cat pads softly toward the shiny glass door. A nurse smiles and waves from inside the office. Can you see the big red cross on the wall? The red cross means help when someone feels sick. Inside the room, the doctor listens with a stethoscope. The doctor helps people feel better and strong again. The cat watches as the doctor writes on a clipboard. Doctors work hard to keep everyone healthy and safe. Oh, what a kind and caring person the doctor is. Can you find the thermometer on the small table? The thermometer tells if someone has a fever. A warm feeling spreads as the cat purrs softly. Outside the school, children play by the big yellow bus. A friendly teacher stands by the school's colorful door. The teacher reads stories with a happy smiling face. Teaching means helping children learn new things every day. Look at all the books stacked high on the shelves. Can you spot the chalkboard with letters and numbers? Letters help us read words like cat and sun. Numbers help us count things like 1, 2, 3. The cat walks down the street past a bright red truck. Oh wow, the fire truck is ready to zoom away. Firefighters wear special hats and big boots for safety. They help put out fires and keep people safe too. Can you see the shiny hose coiled on the truck? Firefighters are very brave and strong helpers in town. The cat imagines sliding down the firehouse pole fast. What a busy and important job this must be. Near the park, a police car shines under tall trees. Police officers wear badges that sparkle in sunlight. They help keep everyone safe and follow important rules. Look closely at their hats with shiny silver stars. Police help find lost pets or people who need help. The cat watches as an officer talks kindly to neighbors. Can you spot the walkie-talkie clipped to their belt? Helping others is a big part of their job. Across the street, green fields stretch wide with tall plants. A farmer drives a tractor through rows of growing crops. Farmers grow food like vegetables, fruits, and grains for all. Look at the ripe red tomatoes hanging on their vines. The farmer smiles while feeding chickens in a small coop. Farmers work early mornings and late into warm evenings. Can you see the basket full of fresh eggs nearby? Farmers help feed everyone with food from their land. In a cozy kitchen, a cook stirs soup in a big pot. The cook wears a tall white hat and apron so clean. Cooking means making tasty meals for families to enjoy. Look at the colorful vegetables chopped on the wooden board. The smell of fresh bread fills the warm, bright kitchen air. Can you see the oven glowing with soft orange light? The cook's work brings happiness through food shared with friends. The cat sits quietly by all these helpers in town. Each helper has a special job that helps us all. Doctors heal bodies while teachers open minds wide. Firefighters fight fires and police keep streets safe too. Farmers grow food and cooks make meals full of love. Now let's follow the cat down a busy sunny street. People wave happily as helpers go about their day. The cat visits a playground near a bright blue school bus. Children laugh while teachers watch kindly from nearby benches. Look at colorful swings moving gently in soft breeze. Can you count how many children are playing here now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 friends laugh together happily. Next, the cat sees firefighters practicing with their big hoses. Water sprays high up into the clear bright morning sky. Can you see how strong and fast firefighters must be? They practice teamwork to help keep everyone safe each day. At the police station, an officer shows shiny handcuffs carefully. Helping catch bad guys keeps our town peaceful and calm. Look at posters on walls about safety and kindness too. The cat wanders through green fields where farmers pick ripe fruit. Baskets fill up with apples, oranges, and juicy red berries. Farmers smile wide as they work hard under blue sky. In a small kitchen, cooks prepare colorful plates of food. Fresh vegetables steam gently next to warm golden bread. Can you smell all these yummy smells filling up this room? As afternoon turns golden, helpers finish their busy work. Doctors close their books while tired teachers tidy desks. Firefighters wash shiny trucks while police cars rest quietly. Farmers gather tools while cooks wipe counters clean with care. Each helper's day ends with pride in what they have done. The cat curls up softly on a warm windowsill seat. Outside, town lights twinkle as evening slowly falls down. Look at all these helpers keeping our town safe and kind. They work together so everyone can live happily here. Can you remember what each helper does in our town? Doctors heal bodies making hurt people feel better. Teachers open minds helping children learn new things daily. Firefighters fight fires bravely keeping homes safe from flames. Police officers protect streets making sure everyone follows rules. Farmers grow food so we have fresh meals every day. Cooks prepare tasty dishes filling our bellies with joy. The cat purrs quietly watching stars shine bright above town. Good night dear helpers, thank you for all that you do. Soft moonlight glows on rooftops as town settles to sleep. Tomorrow will bring new adventures for helpers and our cat.